Agriculture, the second most important innovation of civilized man. Next, only to the discovery of fire, the art and science of mastering the moods of nature in order to produce food. No doubt, for ages, man experimented and perfected the methods of farming in a traditional way. But in India, it was the British who brought in professional teaching and research in agriculture. Not that they alone were responsible for modern knowledge in the field, but certainly it was the British who thought of a school to lend academic discipline to the age-old profession. It was in 1899 that the seeds were sown in the form of an experimental farm of 30 acres attached to the Department of Agriculture. The same farm took the shape of Mysore Agricultural School in 1913. This school became a College of Agriculture in 1946. A veterinary college as an additional component came into being in 1958. Subsequently, these colleges together grew into an independent university in 1964. In addition, a fisheries college was also started in 1969, thus bringing all related disciplines under one umbrella. The original farmland, incidentally, is now the main research station of the university. Over the years, the university itself was split into 5. The second one established at Dharwad in 1984. Third university was raised in 2004, covering veterinary science, fisheries and dairy science. Recently in 2008, the University of Agricultural Sciences, Raichur, and in 2009, the University of Horticultural Sciences, Bagalkot, have been established. This evolution only reflects the growing demands of a society open to myriad challenges, and the University of Agricultural Sciences has never fallen short of the tasks placed on its shoulders. In fact, the institution since its inception has remained a pioneer, continually striving for excellence in agriculture and related sciences, and to provide leadership in the triple tasks of education, research and extension. The primary goal of agricultural education is to bring in method and scientific knowledge to the age-old profession of farming. So, the curriculum at the University of Agricultural Sciences is practice-oriented and constantly updated. Students at all times are required to be in touch with ground realities, and this is achieved through programs like Rural Agricultural Work Experience, wherein a student spends a considerable amount of time with the farmers in their fields and gets exposed to real-time farming situations. This facilitates a symbiotic learning between the student and the farmer. The student gets to understand the actual conditions, while the farmer gets exposed to the new and enthusiastic academic awareness with the student. Currently, agricultural education is offered at 9 teaching campuses in the jurisdiction of University of Agricultural Sciences, Bangalore, 4 agriculture colleges at Bangalore, Mandya, Hassan and Shimoga, a sericulture college at Chintamani, and a forestry college at Ponnampet in Kodagu district. There are 2 more disciplines of study in the Bangalore campus, like agricultural marketing and cooperation and agricultural engineering. While on the campus, each student benefits from the well-furnished libraries and laboratories on the one hand, and playground, indoor stadium and hostels on the other. All in all, every curricular and extracurricular need of the student is taken care of. Degrees are offered in specialized fields like agriculture, sericulture, forestry, food science and agricultural biotechnology, and so on. Besides, master's programs are offered in as many as 23 branches. PhDs are awarded in 13 disciplines. Applied biology courses and biotechnological applications in agriculture are presently attracting many students. Students from different states and countries prefer University of Agricultural Sciences, Bangalore to mold their career. An average of around 600 graduates pass out every year. Among these, around 150 to 200 graduates are recruited in campus interviews every year and offered placement in various organizations and banks. Research has a special place of importance on the UAS campus for students as well as the faculty. India had to strive for decades to achieve food security. With an ever-exploding population and continuously shrinking farmland, agricultural research has to take on the responsibility of coming out with higher and still higher yielding varieties of crops. And this is exactly what the University of Agricultural Sciences has constantly achieved. The very first hybrid variety of paddy in the entire country was a contribution of the university, and also the first hybrid of sunflower. Production of ragi, a major staple crop in the state, scaled revolutionary heights with INDAF series. Again, a development by the university. As a result of these thrusts in research since inception, 171 varieties, including hybrids and different crops, have been made available to the farmers, besides Mallika and mango. Mudigere too in cardamom, occupying a place of pride. Why only that? The university has consistently been in the forefront in areas of developing crops suitable to the local soil and water conditions, water efficiency studies, nutrient management systems, and eco-friendly biofertilizers, thus playing a leading role in combating hunger. Leaf curl virus-resistant tomato, developed by the university, is yet another addition to this pride. Recently, the university has released new varieties of important crops like Talun, Tunga, Raksha in paddy, Nityashri in maize, Chintamani too in groundnut, Nayana in sugarcane, and DCH 177 in castor varieties are a noteworthy few. With fertility status studies, it has been possible to determine fertilizer requirements for each crop without sacrificing the fertility of the soil. Managing soil fertility is, after all, a primary requisite for food production. Vermicompost is a unique technological innovation developed by the university to promote organic farming. Biofertilizers are an integral part of the search for alternative eco-friendly technology. The university now leads this movement with Rhizobium, Azotobacter, phosphorus-soluble bacteria, ongoing research focuses on edible antibiotics, combating pests, genetic manipulation of plant in muskmelon as an edible vaccine for rabies is about to hit the market. In fact, Integrated Pest Management, or IPM for short, takes comprehensive care of the pest menace. It is well known that Indian agriculture is basically dependent on rains. Consequently, drought resistance and water efficiency have always been of prime importance in agrarian research. The university has provided watershed models widely adopted by governmental agencies. These have shown recharge in dry lands over the years. On the whole, the scenario in the university is one of constant change in pace with the world outside. To reach out to the farmer, to keep him abreast of not just technological innovations, but empower him socio-economically, has been the essential creed of all the academic activities here. Therefore, extension has always remained the foremost concern of the university. In tune with the aspirations of the government, the university has been striving to reach the farmer with technological support and management skills. Krishi Vijnana Kendras are established at all district levels to act as resource centers for farmers. The Kendras provide need-based training, conducting frontline demonstrations and farm trials besides other educational activities. These Kendras are equipped with diagnostic facilities to test plant, soil and water. As time demands, the Staff Training Unit organizes various capacity building programs to update the line department functionaries with latest technological breakthroughs. And the Farmers Training Institute extends round-the-year training programs to the farmers of the state and even outside farmers. Unique agri-clinic and agri-business training programs help unemployed agri-graduates to become self-reliant through establishing own ventures at rural areas. The Directorate of Extension publishes packages on agricultural practices, sericulture and other subjects. Video documentaries are also produced on important farm technologies and enterprises to disseminate the latest farming know-how effectively to the farming community. Above all, Agricultural Technology Information Center, ATIC, is a single window system to disseminate all the new farming and farm management technology coming out of the university. Krishi Melas, large platform of technology demonstrations, are held every year, taking knowledge to the farmers under one roof. The farmers-to-farmers interaction and advisory services on the spot provides solutions to many of the farmers' issues. These melas have proved highly popular and successful over the years. To help generate self-employment to unemployed youths and women, a thorough training in bakery technology is offered through diploma and short-term courses. In recognition of all these efforts, various disciplines of the university have been recipients of numerous awards and honors. The watershed programs of the university have been recognized with the National Productivity Award. The Bakery Training Unit also got a similar award recently. The university has consistently bagged the top position in the All India level Junior Research Fellows Examination. And also, the Sardar Patel Outstanding ICAR Best Institution Award and the ICAR Best Krishi Vigyan Kendra Award for the Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Kandli, Hassan. India is a vast country with great achievements, but times keep changing, and so do the challenges. University of Agricultural Sciences has been a part of this revolution in self-sufficiency and continues to be a proud partner in the progress. We indeed have had difficulties, but we are equally equipped with capabilities. With this confidence and focus, we march forward, step in step with the farmer, the backbone of this country.